Hey guys, it's the Mallu Cuber here, and this is the Mallu RS3M 2020. The Mallu RS3M 2020 is one of the best budget cubes ever released. But there are many people who have a problem with its weak magnets. So today, I'm going to show you how to improve the magnetic strength in the Mallu RS3M 2020. To improve the magnetic strength, all you need is the cube and a set of magnets. 24 magnets to be precise. The first step is to disassemble the cube. After disassembly, we should keep the edges and the corners separate because we are only going to be adding magnets only to the edges. So all you need to do is take a single magnet and put it right next to the magnet already in the cube, and you have to repeat the process with each and every piece. And now, after adding a magnet to each and every edge piece, all you have to do is assemble the cube. By adding the magnets, I can already understand a huge difference. I hope this video has helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye.